Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Jack Skellington. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Jack Skellington, let's begin with the face. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to begin with the eyes. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up and down like this. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down. We're going to come up and down like this. We'll make a line that's going to curve up here. And the same thing over here. A line's going to curve up here. Then we'll go ahead and color each eye in. Next, let's go ahead and bring a little line down on each side. Then right in the middle, we'll make two little oval shapes for the nose. Right above the eye, we'll make a line that goes up and down for the eyebrows. And then right across here, we're going to go down. We'll kind of straighten it out, and then we'll bring it back up here for the mouth. And then we'll go ahead and make the little lines all the way across here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the top of his head. And then we're going to come down and back up here. Starting here, we're going to go down and then come up for his neck. And then we'll make a little U shape right underneath there. We'll make a line that's going to come down and up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and back, out and back, and out and back for the top part of his shirt. We'll do that same thing over here. We're going to make three big points. We'll make a V shape right here. And we'll make two little lines that are going to come down here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and then up. Starting here, we're going to bring a line down and another line down here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and a little line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line down, and another long line down for the legs. I'm going to make a line across, and then we're going to make a line all the way up here with a little line across. We're going to go out and then bring it back for a foot. Do the same thing out and then bring it back. Now for the arms, we're going to start up here. We're going to come out and then we're going to bring it in here. We'll do that same thing. We're just going to come out and bring it in here. Do the same thing. We're going to go out, bring it back, and connect. We're going to go out, bring it back, and then connect. We'll add a curved line at the end of each one. And a little line is going to come out and then in. So we just go up and bring it back for the hands. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and back. And same thing here, we're just going to go down and then bring it back in. And there you go, there is your drawing of Jack Skellington. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.